Color Glitter is now out. I make, the cutest wigs ever. See how cute it is. So if you want to see how it looks on me,
kind of anxious. I don't know what to expect.
Really want to know.
Like, subscribe, share.
So guys, today I'll be going to the hospital to get my medical fitness certificate because that's a necessary document you need. And also after that, I'll be going to the cafe to print out. Yeah, guys, to print out my color glitter because color glitter is now out. And yeah, I'm so excited. And yeah, I'll also be dropping by the supermarket. Yeah, today is already shocked up, guys. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I am done. All these people are not smiling at all. Just to get certificate, God, very expensive, 6K. Wow. But at least it did not waste time. 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes. I'm done.
Later. A few moments later. days later.
Hi guys, good morning. And yeah, today is, I think, is it 30th? Yeah, today is 30th of November. And guys, like I said, my color platter is already out, and I've seen where I'll be going to. But like, I won't be saying it now. I won't be saying it. You have to stay tuned to this channel to find out where I'll be doing my NYSC, guys. And so far so good. Like, the weeks have been so stressful. I would not even lie. Like, everything is just so packed, like shooked up. All the things I need to do before I finally leave for camp and all. So my reporting date is on the 2nd, which is on Friday, and today is Wednesday. That's, I just have like a day before I finally leave for camp. And yeah guys, so, and if you know me, like if you are a fan of this channel, you would know that I'm on low cuts, that my hair is low. I don't make my hair. So there are still a couple of things I need to do before I finally leave for camp. Some of them self, I'm already like canceling them, that okay, this one has to be maybe when I get back because of the whole time frame and all. I have like orders to, there are some orders I need to, set to. There are some things I need to make and deliver their orders. But then, like, the only luck I have is just that it's not an urgent order. Probably I will leave those ones till I get back from camp. But there's just this particular one I'm still on that I just want to like settle before I leave for camp. And guys, if you are wondering what I'm talking about my business. Like, I make the cutest wigs ever, like for ladies. And one of it, this one particularly, as you can see, I made this one for myself. Like, who they work, they shop. Like, I cannot just be making wigs for people and I would not have like so I made this one for myself, especially because I'll be wearing it to camp. As you can see it, guys, this cutesy. So guys, what I will do is just that I will leave my my business page, my Instagram business page handle on the screen, so that you can go and order yours. You can order, like, I deliver to you. As far as you're in Nigeria, I can deliver to you anywhere in Nigeria. As you can see, this is how it is. So this is what I'll be using for my camp. This is what I'll be wearing to travel for camp. As you can see how cute it is, guys. See. So if you want to see how it looks on me, like, there are some prep I will need to do. That's this. I will have to like make this to be the same color with my skin. Like, basically, like, I need to use is my foundation. That's my skin, the color of my skin foundation. Or you can also use tints depending on which one you have available. So I just need to do that, prep it, take off these parts, that's this excess, and I am good to go, guys. So yeah, see how cute it is. So if you want to see how it looks on me, I won't be wearing it now. I'll be wearing it on Friday. That's when I'll be traveling. So you need to stay tuned for that video, because I don't think it will be together with this video. So yeah, so if you want to see how fitted it is, how you want to see the beauty of these guys, stay tuned for that video. Just stay tuned. I just said I should show you guys, like, yeah, this is my first time unveiling my business, what I do again outside. I do a couple of things, guys. So I do a couple of things, but yeah, that's if I'm not on the farm, because you might have watched that video where I'm a farmer by profession. If I'm not on the farm, if I'm not creating videos also, I'll probably be making one of these gorgeous, beautiful, luxurious wigs for ladies, braided wigs. So yeah, so guys, I'm happy. At least I'm set with my hair. Like, I don't have to worry about, okay, how am I going to do my hair and all. Yeah, and I don't want to be on low cut, like, every day in camp. So the beautiful things about wig is it's easily like take off. Like, I easily take them off. Like, when you are done for the day, you can easily like put them off, keep it, it's long lasting. Guys, are you seeing these braids? Are you seeing how these braids are, guys? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? I don't think so. I don't think so, guys. So guys, if you need, maybe you like this, and they are also available like in any design, like there are different designs, but this is a particular one I'll be taking. Like this one when I made for myself. I have a couple I also need to make, but like I said, like I've shifted them to after camp. Like after camp, it's just one I'm on now. That's when I'm done with that one. I know hopefully today, tomorrow, I know I'll be done with that. When I'm done with it, and I'm all set, guys. There are also other things I need to do. Fine. Okay, I've not yet packed. Like I've not yet packed, and that's so unlike me, guys. It's so unlike me because normally I let me not use pigeon. Normally I do pack like a week before I travel, but this is like just one day left, and I'm yet to pack. So hopefully I'm planning to pack tomorrow, and as early as 6 a.m. on Friday I am off, guys. So I'll see you guys probably when I'm on my way to wherever state God has designed me to be, God has predestined me to be, God has, prepared for me. And yeah, guys, I know you want to know the state. I know you really, 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 really want to know, and that's why you have to stay tuned to this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Maybe I'll see you guys. The vlog continues, so I'll probably see you guys. See ya. Bye.
The next day.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So today is Thursday, 1st of December. Happy new month, guys. And yeah, I think barely few hours left before I start my journey to my states, for my NYSC Camp, sorry. And the state I'm going to is a state I've never been before. Like this is my first time going, and yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of, should I say anxious, or if that's the word, like about everything, like about from the journey to the whole camp experience. Like I'm kind of anxious. I don't know what to expect, but then I know everything is going to turn out well. I know I'm going to enjoy the experience. And yeah, that feeling you get when you're going to somewhere for the first time, like, and I'm literally like, going by myself. You know how it feels. I don't know, but then let's see how it goes, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Normally, what I normally do a day before I travel, like especially if I'm traveling to a place I've never been before, like I like to rest. Every other thing that I could not like finish up before today, like I just cancel them till after camp when I come back from camp, because I like to rest a day before I travel, so that, because I know tomorrow is going to be a very hectic day. Yeah, it's going to be hectic, but then yeah, I've not yet packed too, guys. I've not yet packed. I still want to, like, before I pack, I want to iron some of my stuff before I finally pack them up into my box. So I'm just waiting for lights to come so that I can iron. And yeah, guys, so hopefully I'll see you guys. I think I'll be ending this vlog here, so the next video we'll be seeing will not be like it won't be a vlog. So maybe by the next time you'll be seeing me, maybe you'll be seeing me in camp. So fingers crossed. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe. Like, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, I tried my possible best to take you guys on the journey, like from the registration, everything. Like, even though there were some moments I didn't capture, but at least I tried my best to, like, capture the ones I could, like, and document them, like, so yeah, see ya.